Welcome to Learning Bloom's channels, Cursive Handwriting Day 2. Hello everyone. Yesterday we learned these two patterns. Using these two patterns, today we learn some letters. With the revision of these pattern, you can just revise these pattern little bit. Then here you can increase your speed also. Then one more pattern. I hope yesterday you revised this pattern. Using this pattern, now I will show you a letter. Using this, we can write letter I. Take a curve, go up, come down, little curve. Don't give gap here. And one more. Take a little curve, straight line, go up and come down. T. Don't give too much gap here. Then using this pattern we can write, and one more using this. Take a curve, go up, come down, go up and little curve. U. Then using this pattern we can write curve, come down, go up and one more with small curve, letter M. Then one more, letter N, end with a small curve. We can write I, T, U, M and N. Using these letters, we can write some words. We'll try these words. Take curve, come down, without lifting pencil, write T. IT, eat. I, you can without lifting your pencil go straight and come down. It. And one more word, tin. Go straight without leaving gap. Then I, N. In this, here we used to put accessories at the complete of that. Once we completed the word, then only we put this accessories. Then one more, M, I, N, T. Go straight and come down. Mint. Here, don't get confused here. See, when you're joining I and N, here it's look to curve, right? But it's look M, but this is not M, it's a N only. When you are going for I to N, just you will take from here to this cross, you will take this and this is N. When you are writing M, I, this is M, right? When you are joining these two, I, yes, this is, now we will take M like this. Okay, this is IN, this is IN. Don't get confused. Let's practice with me. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe.